Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the strat candlestick patterns. All right, now the strat is a price action trading method. All right, the price action trading method developed by Rob Smith, and it focuses on understanding market structure through specific candlestick patterns. Okay, so instead of relying heavily on indicators, the strat uses three main candle types. All right, and the three main candle types are inside bars, directional buyers, and outside bars. Okay, inside bars, directional buyers. Inside bars, directional bars, and outside bars. So these are the three main candle types. So these patterns help traders understand how price is moving and where it might go next. Basically, the strategy is based on identifying combinations of these candles to predict potential breakouts, reversals, or continuations. For example, certain pattern combinations can signal a strong move in a particular direction. Without wasting so much time trying to find specific patterns on our chart, let's just look at a couple of examples via an image, so we can see that we actually have the strat patterns, different pattern combinations. You can actually also check your web browser. Of course, you can just do a little um, research on the strat patterns to see different combinations, right? We can see the 212 bearish reversal, we can see the 122 bullish reversal, 222 bearish reversal, and so on and so forth. So there are a number of them, right? A variety of these patterns. You can learn more about them and study them to understand how they form. Okay, and if you think that is going to be valuable to your trading strategy, then you can just you know have them at the back of your mind, maybe for easy identification, right? You can see this one is quite easy to remember, right? The three consecutive bearish candles, and you can see this, you can see this, you can see there are different names: 2-2 continuation bearish. You can see this is 3-2-2 bullish reversal. So there are the reversal patterns, there are the continuation patterns. All right, now one of the strengths of the strat is its simplicity. Okay, by focusing on price action alone, traders can make decisions based on what the market is doing in real time without relying on lagging indicators. Overall, the strat is a powerful approach for traders who want to master candlestick patterns and market structure. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.